Vishnu. Okay. Going to Shakleshpur. What is that resort? Nirvana. Nirvana. I think let's see. One day night stay. Lot of furnished flat, lot of food. Lokesh, Guru, Pramod, was first time part of our group. In an usual suspect. Yeah, the new car. Lokesh car. And also we have a couple of visitors. Hi Franka.
Hi. Morning.
Your colleagues from Munich? And hi Amrita.
Hi.
Yeah. So, we'll spend the rest of the day together.
In the rain.
Yeah.
Looking forward. Yes.
There was a huge rain in Shakleshpur till 2 AM yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah, so.
Coorg and Shakleshpur is all.
But it's good. I mean, you can stay indoors and enjoy the weather.
Absolutely.
Hi, Flon. Sleeping still in sleep?
Huh?
Still in sleep?
Yes, of course. We need a bit of coffee, otherwise.
What are the expectations for the day?
I don't know, chill out, see some great things.
Chill? Okay. Let's start with the beer. Do we have a beer? Right?
Yeah. Naveen has got it.
Okay, I'm going to drink first.
So, what do you order? Is this our time or no? This is your time.
So they get trained in Oberoi. Yeah. Keith and Brenda wants to share one dosa. Oh, that no, he can share. So what we ordered is one.
So I'm a rice box fan, so
Yeah,
I ordered rice.
we also ordered one pongal.
Okay. Sounds like it's dramatic because of the way you reverse some of the sentences. It's not spicy, right?
It's from the next bit, but it's okay. It's very tasty. This is not spicy. But I couldn't tell you what's in. It's rice.
Rice and
Rice,
lentils.
yes, and lentils. Okay. This we give to kids because it's
Not just kids, even when you're sick. It's advisable.
No, kids menu. This is what I told her next time.
Shinku Chakra, Gadapatna, Vishnu. Only single stone. Carvings chiseled in outside, often in the mouth. Careful, full mixing, full stolen. This type of statue full stolen. Local vandalism before independence, jewelry designs. Full horse riding, flying a flute, lady undress, after hunting, a dead body of animal, flower designs, birds, royal emblem, everything depicted. Temple can be divided into two portions. This side of the social section, this side of spiritual section. Only God and God. First to Shiva Parvati. This one. Shiva Parvati. Ashtabhuja Vinayaka. Ashta means 8. 8 hands. This Ganesha, 8 hands. This Ganesha specially worshipped on March and April. April month, the school children, sir, a prayer. Because exam time. Very good result in examination. This is called exam Ganesh. Ugra Narasimha, who kills a demon Hiranyakashipu. Open the stomach, sir, intestine. Looks like a garland. The face expression very nice, but the tongue is a very sharpness. Ugra means angry. A lion face, human body. Ugra Narasimha, family god of Vaisala. Trimurti Narayana, this one. Chamundeshwari, Mahishashra Mardini in Mysore Chamundi.
Hello guys.
Hi.
Hi. ये नेट इतना छोटा है।
नहीं खेलना वो नहीं हो रहा है।
हाँ?
प्लेस भी कम है ना, चलेगा। ओह ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಸಾರಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜಾರುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಸ್ತದೆ ಏರು ಮಾಡಲಾ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ आराम से जाने दो सुपर सुपर गुड ट्राई ब्रेक 2-8 Lovely, sir. 3-8. ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೋದ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
Okay. Come. ಆಟ ಆಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಓ ಶಿಟ್. ಚಲೋ.
We won't see it on BBC or on Facebook.
YouTube. ये अमृता में ये कब सीखा यार ये सब? हमको आता भी नहीं है.
I like dancing. I just need music.
You like dancing, Frankel? Hello. He is doing Flora! Hey! Yes, over! So friend like this? Yeah. Sheep. చాలా సినిమా ఉందా ఇప్పుడు దగ్గర డాన్స్
Photo sites where they actually put up mirrors with the name of the tree or something like that, and you can take a picture in the mirror seeing yourself. Yeah.
Save whatever energy you can. Everything prepaid. Prepared.
Yeah. So you don't need a selfie stick or anything.
But we want to make sure it's good sound, right?
Actually, we can take there because that house will come.
Even this side would be nice with green.
Yeah, or we can take there. The house will come and the back.
Gurraj, pick.
Oh, yeah, sorry, that goes.
We have found, we collected everyone.
Hi, everybody is here. Just Naveen is giving, settling the bill.
We'll take care
Huh?
of this
Ah.
because the house and that background, everything will be good.
Okay.
You can stand here.
Guru. Yeah.
Yalla.
The rain is not at all stopping.
Hey! This is for selfie, so I have to do it all.
There they go.
I didn't wash my hair
You
today.
see there what
because
Fanny
we
is
didn't
doing.
have- I'm just
Yeah, group.
Before it rained, guys.
No, because he's just.
They get, the
Naveen!
more I don't do any, they get more. Yes, only take shorts. That long hair,
They won't. Yes, it's natural that the last one goes back.
yes,
So, Amrita, do you recommend this? This property?
Yes,
Huh?
property is okay.
Okay, not great, right?
maybe
Good
take
enough, I
another
would say.
month in the year,
Yes.
but the property is great.
Okay.
But I like the plantation walk.
Okay,
It was
okay.
good.
So around
We
that.
just went the side, and then it was a whole good walk.
So it turns like
This
that, huh?
turn
So
like
complete
this,
like
and
that.
you can come back. We could really see coffee. Then
Coffee plants and all
beans.
that. There could be some access going to this.
Yes, actually,
right?
if they try to make, there is one access that they put there, but really it doesn't go lead anywhere. If they make it a little more height, we could see the view. Then it makes like a
You know, for a
It's like a-
plantation walk or something like that,
Yeah.
go into the trees and all that. There
Yeah,
could
yeah.
be some path. Could
they
have an
started
expert.
there, so
Ah.
they have to finish it.
Okay, okay.
I think next year when you come here,
Yeah,
they would
so
have
then
finished a lot of things. But they really need to scale up their kitchen.
But then your rooms have
View-
better view,
views are
right?
too good,
Room.
yeah. Rooms are
Ours is
also
just
good.
like a bunker.
We
There's
have-
nothing, only
we
4
had
windows.
One
But then that
cot-
height, it's good for kids.
There's nothing. I mean, there's
Yeah.
nothing only for,
It's more for
windows. Nothing else. There's no balcony. You can't come out and sit.
It's only for kids.
Yeah, kids are,
Kids are family.
or maybe for drivers.
Yeah. I wouldn't go that far. But yes.
Start.
But that rooms have good.
Branka, how do you feel? Like, how was the one day
it was
stay here?
great. It was great.
Mm.
As I said, we could just take next time another month in the year,
Ah.
but the place is great.
Is it,
coffee beans are great.
Oh, okay, it's fine. Keith worried. Hey, there's a lot of space.
Yeah, I don't know what to do. There's no space where we are.
Yeah, Branka. So, yeah, you said that because of the weather, maybe a little spoiled, right?
Yes, it was great. And in front of our balcony, we had a small plant, coffee bean plant, real one.
I think you have an eye for plants and then trees. She is really observing the colors.
But not that good.
I'm
like
sure you might have taken a lot of
Santosh
photos.
is better than me.
Oh, Santosh has very artistic eye, I think. That guy was out from the room. He's the only odd man out in this room.
yes.
He
He's better
8:30.
in our group.
Yeah, he had better. He 8:30 is out. And he didn't come at all.
Yes, he was with us.
He was roaming around, taking pictures.
He came there, so
enjoying.
we went together.
Hmm.
He took my pictures also.
Yeah.
And then
And
he took some nice.
And there,
There's one picture which he took. It's a macro shot. You could make it screensaver. Is that good?
every picture he takes is like
Yeah,
wonderful.
that's good.
Have you seen his sketched the eye
Yeah, I saw. I just
with
saw.
the stylus
Yes,
on the
yes,
phone?
yes. I think he's uploaded in Insta.
He tried to follow you. I think he came out a little bit after a sleep and all that, right?
No, we met. Then he was
He
there.
was,
We went there. And
There's nothing much to do also. Like
actually, yeah, it's nothing
there's
much.
nothing much
At least
activity.
if it didn't rain, we could have done something.
So that was the best thing
But
what
we-
we did yesterday.
But we managed
Play
that
volleyball,
well.
Yeah.
get into the pool.
It's
Yeah,
great.
should
But
we-
we made best out of what was available. We played carom,
Hmm.
which is good, which is fun.
We are great there.
At least I think Keith and she will buy a board.
So
and
Branka
start-
can
I
try in
supported
11mg then.
weak teams, you know.
Ah.
If they needed some support, I supported them.
You play for the other team, opposition.
No, I wouldn't say it like that.
played for
We
everyone.
play together, and from time to time,
Okay.
I took also good thing for us.
Okay.
But they needed some support, so.
Okay. So you want to help underdogs, right then?
But I think Keith will go and buy a carom.
Yep.
Board.
Santosh, where? a group picture where with what background?
Yeah.
Here?
Don't do that.
And you don't want to have that nirvan, no? That's okay. Then come, tell us.
We want to have plants, always plants in the nature, you know.
Lokesh, come down. Guru, ask him to come to take a picture.
15 mileage ಅಂತ
Come. Oh, बाद में कर ले यार, आजा. So how was the?
It was very good except breakfast.
Breakfast pathetic, right?
Breakfast was pathetic.
Like we are expecting some egg omelette or dosa.
At least some dosa, rice bath for him.
No, I told him.
No, you have pongal. It's kind of a rice only.
And the volleyball course should be improved.
Chalo. Let's go.
So let's
Now we are all right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the only one we don't.
Exactly. Is it any good?
this is good.
Wow, my red shoes are shining.
Fast?
Yeah.
My son's shoes.
This is the advantage of
I guess
having
you will
teenage
post
kids.
it in WhatsApp as well.
Yeah. I'll post it in WhatsApp.
Okay, Keith, come.
Yeah. So
We're feeding him. So
You'll be comfortable here. Okay. So are we going to that fort or directly going home? We'll skip it, huh? Because maybe nothing much there, right?
Nothing much is raining.
where we are stopping now?
Directly for lunch.
Lunch. Allah Mani wants to.
No. On the way, just I need to buy some slipper.
Even I want to buy some masala spices. He said somewhere near HP petrol bunk there is
So
a
wherever the shopping, then we'll spices. Maybe Branca can also buy.
I will always buy
Mm.
spices. And this one. Okay.
Yeah, all in.
All in.
Naveen, HP petrol bunk ka fellow spice coffee there.
The hints that you've been giving us.
But you shouldn't take that to the video.
No, of course not. This is for
Confidential area, right?
yeah.
Ganz fein. Und kaufst, wenn du zum Beispiel Reis in einen Reiskocher
There are some black seeds.
What happened?
Ah, okay, got it.
die musst But if you're putting it into a fluid, if you're putting it into a fluid like rice or into a soup or something like that, you can put it in and then take it out again. Yeah, okay, and that's the black seed.
Cooking lessons.
That's the brown seed and that's the black one. Oh, and they're big. Yeah, I want those.
Me too.
I want those.
Quite, yeah.
This is
We are here to buy some cardamom.
ಇದು 600 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1200 ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ
So they are buying some spices. I think this area is quite good for spices. Yeah, that's like Shakleshpur. So you can see this Kandumane spices and dry fruits. Our visitors wants to buy some spices. You guys are not buying any spices? No. Why?
I just
Card-
bought a lot in Kerala.
Oh, okay. So Kerala is much better place to buy.
No. I
Yeah.
think all are similar, but I still have the stock left at home.
Okay.
ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಬಲ್
Yeah, it's very different.
Still analyzing.
So it's anyway we first fry the chicken. After that,
Yeah, I told him.
they made this egg
Yeah, I
bhurji
told him,
and green
you
masala
find
and
out
cooked chicken.
how
It's
the
egg,
spice
onion,
distributes
everything.
after you eat. It's not
Yeah, I think
It's not
even I
first
like it.
impressions, unfortunately. So that is,
So you liked it, Keith?
Yeah, I like it, but
Should she? Would
I don't know how spicy it is.
Yeah.
Now you have something.
ಈ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೊಗೊಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನವೀನ್ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಬಿಡಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ
This is good.
ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು
Oh, exotic.
Looking too good.
You can try anything else, really. My capacity is full. And that goes.